further boost the luck with this solid support. So something we can do, which is the number 6. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today we keep going to mention the top 3 secrets how to boost your luck. So this is the second secret, which is your office and home office. We mentioned 1 to 5 before. If you want, you can refer to my previous video. And here, this is the number 6 to number 10. Okay, the number 6, which is some important about how to decorate your office and home office. We mentioned that for our office, the most important is we need to have a support, just like something like this, a solid wall, which is so important. Just like your chair, you have a back to support you, so you can sit here, feel really comfortable. So this back support is so important. Some people will choose the back is a window, definitely is not a good idea. Or the back, there's some people is a moving, walk around, definitely this is not a good idea, which is so simple because you can imagine like this. You're working here and people just walk at your back. They will just look at you, spy on you, and then you don't have the privacy. So that's why we don't want someone to walk at our back. So how we can further boost the luck with this solid support? So something we can do, which is the number 6. Okay, over this wall, you can do something to boost your luck. For example, maybe you can put the thank you letter, put it on the back. So the thank you letter is so important. You did something right, you did something good. So your customer, your friends, or someone just write you a thank you letter. So this is something like a credit to you. So it means that you did something right, you did something good, excellent. People appreciate you, so people write a thank you letter to you and encourage you to do better. So this thank you letter is so important. You can put it at the back as your back support, or you can also hand your license, certificates at the back, or some award, you can also put it at the back. For those awards, you need to choose something round one at the back. Something with the sharp angle, you can put it on the sideway, but just not exactly at the back. Those are important. Thank you letter, certificates, license, and award. Especially when you go to your real office. You can imagine like this. You sit here, and then at the back is all your thank you letter, certificate, and license. And your customer come in, he sit in front of you. So when he sit down, he take a look for the wall. He can see all those thank you letter, award, and certificate. You have a more confidence in your service. So this is so important. It's not just serve as your best support. It can also help you to boost your credit in your business. Okay, number 7. Number 7 is for your desk. You need to choose the desk. Not too small, not too big. Just enough size, which is important. Okay, number 8. Number 8 is when you choose the location, put your desk, you need to do something like this. Don't put your desk against the wall. So don't sit here and facing the wall. You need to have a broad view. So the best thing is in front of you there's a window, or at least have some space. The sideway is the window is also fine, but just not exactly facing the wall. Because facing the wall, you will have create some unnecessary pressure to you. Nobody will think as like a punishment when you're facing the wall. So it's not a really good feng shui location. Okay, the number 9. The number 9 is a little bit complicated. We call the missing corner. So what's the missing corner? For your office, it better to be like a rectangle shape or square shape, so everything is a computer. When there's some angle or some corner is missing, so we call the missing corner. So the missing corner is so important. There's 2 locations the corner cannot be missed. The first thing is the southwest corner, which is belong to the lady, belong to the mom, belong to the like a female leader. So if you're ladies, make sure that your southwest location is not missing. If you're a guy, make sure you're not northwest location is not missing, because the northwest location is belong to you, is belong to the daddy, is belong to the leadership. So that is so important. Make sure that it's not missing. Okay, the number 10. The number 10, which is the fire and water relationship. Okay, you sit here. Make sure that upstairs is not the bathroom, because we don't want those dirty water on top of your head and affect your feng shui every single time. And for your downstairs, make sure that it's not the kitchen, the stove is burning you. So this is so important, because we don't want the fire to burn you. So make sure that you stay away from the water and this fire. That will help. Thanks for watching. Thank you. If you want to learn Feng Shui systematically, I have a class online. The name is the Accredited Professional Practical Feng Shui Master Course. I put the link down below. You can go there, check it out. Or if you want to read some Feng Shui book, I have a book on Amazon.com. The name is the Practical Feng Shui 101. I also put the link down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.